Hi friends, it's Miss Erin. Now that it's springtime, I'm sure you're noticing a lot of nature outside. Lots of things are starting to grow from the ground. We're seeing more bugs and more animals. This song is about a very special springtime animal. It's a special kind of bird with an orangey red belly, little yellow feet, and a grayish colored body. Do you know what kind of bird that is? It's a robin. A robin is the kind of bird that this song is about. This song is called Robin in the Rain. And if you listen the first time, then you could stomp your little robin feet to this song and learn the words, okay? I hope you really like it, friends. Ready? Here we go. Robin in the rain, what a saucy fellow. Robin in the rain, mind your socks of yellow. Running in the garden on your nimble feet, digging for your dinner with your long, strong beak. Robin in the rain, you don't mind the weather. Showers always make you gay, but the worms are wishing you would stay at home. Robin on a rainy day. Robin in the rain, what a saucy fellow. Robin in the rain, mind your socks of yellow. Running in the garden on your nimble feet, digging for your dinner with your long, strong beak. Robin in the rain, you don't mind the weather. Showers always make you gay, but the worms are wishing you would stay at home. Robin on a rainy day. Robin on a rainy day. Robin on a rainy day. You friends can look outside and see if you find any robins out there. Do you see any little birds in your neighborhood around your house? Let me know. Take a picture or draw a picture. I hope you find some beautiful nature today, friends.